Hakeem Rock is set to go down against Abdul Karim Al Silvadi. Shaquem Rock lost to Nurul Aliyev, and at Octagon he was so dominant. I was pretty shocked when he lost to Nurul Aliyev. Was a good fight though, but it seems Aliyev is just too much of a wrestler, and Abdul Karim Al Silvadi, also popular as Pride of Palestine, having a 15-4-0 5 at 69 inches of reach. These guys' fights keep getting cancelled all over the place. Last four fights got cancelled. His last bout happened against Laikraj Khabov, and he lost. In 2024, he defeated George Hardwick, Michael Murphy, but you know what's the problem? I don't know the level of his shape right now, and he hasn't fought for 2 years, so he might be significantly better, he might be significantly worse, but Shaquem Rock is on a grind, and I believe Shaquem Rock should do the job really well. And I'm gonna go with Shamrock for the victory or fight not going the distance.